Hey guys, welcome to my first car care product review video, and today I've chosen to review the Eagle One black and plastic coat wheel cleaner. I am going to be testing this out as an alternative to IronX as a decontamination spray to help remove iron and other contaminants on the clear coat embedded on there. And I know IronX is a pretty costly product, ranging anywhere from, depending on the size of the bottle you get, but I believe up to $40 a bottle. And the Eagle One you can pick up at your local Walmart for just under $5, and that is a great price. And we're gonna find out how it performs. And I've chosen a white car. White cars typically show the best results. You can see the product working on the contaminants, and you get a good visual of how the product's working. So we're gonna go ahead, spray the whole car down, and let it sit for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and see what kind of stuff gets melted off. One thing forgot to mention, although this is a wheel cleaner, it is safe on clear coats. I've tried it out on a panel before filming this video, and there was no damage to the paint or the clear coat at all. So I do believe it's safe on clear coats and any type of finish really that has a clear coat on there. So no worries on anything getting ruined. Okay, so the car got pre-washed and got rid of all the loose dirt. Now I want to add, this car has been sitting in storage for over 2 years. Doesn't get regular washes or any type of treatment really, and there was a lot of dirt already on the surface of the car, and dust, tons of dust. So we went ahead and washed the car, and just got rid of any dirt, any loose dirt already on the surface. And we went and dried the car, so the product that we're gonna spray doesn't have any doesn't get diluted with any water on the surface of the car. And just doing a walkthrough of the car, the paint is not in bad shape, but there are areas where it's hard to see on the camera. There are little iron specks all throughout the rockers and the lower trim, lower part of the doors, and it needs some love. We'll get a good visual once the product's on the car. We'll see what kind of things it comes in contact with. So without further ado, start spraying. And it goes on clear. It's a clear spray, it's not a foam. Another note I want to add, it does not smell good at all. It's one thing to keep in mind. We're gonna go ahead and do the roof as well. Get the whole car. Whew. Yeah, it's not very pleasant. So right now we've gone and sprayed the whole car from top to bottom, and you can already see the product's already doing a great job. It's starting to dissolve all the little iron and other contaminants already, embedded on the clear coat. Everything's becoming more visible the longer the product sits on the car. I'm gonna buy the Eagle One wheel cleaner. So you can see the back end of this little mini wash mitt. It's a little on the rough side, and this will do a good job at knocking loose anything that's that's still on the surface. So we're just gonna go in forward and back motions, not circular, and get all the panels one by one. So we went ahead and rinsed the car off after going over with the wash mitt, and the paint already feels super smooth, very, very smooth, just to my fingertips. I don't feel any debris or any roughness to the finish at all. You can see the product still dripping away, the molding. So right now we're gonna give it a second wash, make sure everything is off the surface of the paint, and give it a good clean, and then dry it. So after washing the car for a second time and drying it, you can already tell the gloss level has enhanced quite a bit just from decontaminating the clear coat, and it's been cleaned pretty well. And it's very smooth. Again, you can tell without even clay barring that the paint feels pretty clean. So to close things out, I think this product performed amazing. It did a great job, and for $5 you can't beat it. Now, I've never tried IronX, and I've only seen what the product can do in videos and from other reviewers, and it works great. I believe the Eagle One, the black and plastic, did a pretty good job getting into all the nooks and crannies and crevices, and cleaning the paint fairly well. And I'm just amazed in how well this car turned out. And the paint looks super glossy for being bare, and just washing the car and spraying it down with this, and there's many things you can do moving forward to improve it. Compounding, polishing, seal it, wax it. You can do all kinds of things to make it better, but for a deep cleaning perspective, the car looks amazing, and the paint is in great shape. So pretty happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. If you give it a try, let me know what kind of results you're getting. or if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment sections down below, and I'll try my best to answer them. And this is my second time using this product, and I'm very happy with it. So we'll see you guys on the next review.